Hi everybody, welcome to Diamond Paintings with Cat and Dogs. Helen here. I got this diamond painting on clearance at Hobby Lobby. It is a diamond art by Leisure Arts. Never did this brand before, so it's going to be a new experience. It was on clearance for $5.99, so of course you got to try it. It says it's an advanced expert 13 plus. Diamond paint by numbers, and it's palm trees and the sun. Down here below it says includes 37 dazzling gems, collars, fabric, wax, stylus, grips, tray, and instructions. Complete canvas work area, and it gives you what's included in the box here, and so let's check it out. Okay, maybe. Ouch. Seriously? Okay, it does not want to open. Oh, man. I want to make sure you can't open this. Okay, finally. So it does come in a plastic dust cover here. Actually nice dust cover. It's thick. And let's pull out everything out of the bag. Okay. Okay, it goes pretty flat. Okay, so it comes with, maybe it'll hold up there, comes with directions on how to diamond paint, drills, and tool bag. Now let's see what's in the tool bag. The tool bag comes with a pen, a squishy, a one-placer, a three-placer, and let's put it over there like that. Comes with wax, which actually tells you don't forget to peel off the plastic. There's plastic film on here. Just peel it off, and there you go. To wax the container, baggies, and a little tray. So that's not bad. That's all you need to do the painting. If this is your first diamond painting, that's all you need. You don't need nothing else. Okay, let's flip this baby over. Maybe if I flip it over. Okay. So the canvas is kind of stiff, rough. Does have the scalped edges. It has the name of the company right here, the legend. On the bottom here, it has two diamond painting thumbnails, the name of the drawing, Palm Sunset. The size is 50.80 centimeters by 40.64 centimeters. That's the design size. The fabric size is 58.80 centimeters by 48.64 centimeters. And here on this side has the legend and the company's name. Okay. Here, it's not real sticky, but we'll see. And the drills It's round. And it doesn't have the canvas name on it, but it does have a number, which is the same as that number. And 37 colors. How many strips? We only have 2 strips going on here. Okay. So we have a 931, 938, gray, brown. Can't see them. 945, 947, 961, 970, 972, 973, 3078, 3326. The drills don't look too bad, but there is static. 3328, 3374. Oh, sorry, 3371 times 2. 3688, 3765, 3777, 3834, 3835, 3842, and 3865. That's the first set. Let's get to the second set here. 150, 154, 130, 161, 307, 310, 310, 310, 311, 352, 517, 666, 720, 722, 725, 741, 814, 814, 823, 894, and 919. Let's look at the legend. This side is easier. So the legend is 1 through 26 are alphabet, and 27 through 37 are symbols. So looks like it'll be a fun one to do. Won't take that long. Like I said, I've never done this brand, so we'll see. And I said, if anybody's done this brand before, please leave a comment. Let us know what you thought. And please like and subscribe our channel. Until next time. Bye.